In this video, I will be showing the unboxing of DJI OSMO Pocket and using it for the first time, and I hope you guys like the video, and please support my channel and give a thumbs up, and also let me know in comment about the DJI OSMO Pocket if you want to know anything about it. So enjoy the video. As you can see, the DJI OSMO Pocket is a very small camera, and the major advantage of this camera is that it makes vlogging very easy. Since you have a smartphone mount which you can use as a viewing platform, and also for downloading the videos you shoot directly to your smartphone, and this is applicable to both Android and Apple iPhones. The unboxing is now done, and now I will be using it for the first time and also showing you guys how it feels. So guys, this is the DJI OSMO, which is a very nice, as you can see, this video is shooting it now in 4K resolution. Okay.
নমস্কার, হিন্দুস্তান পার্ক সার্বজনীন দুর্গোৎসব কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সকলকে জানাই শারদীয়ার শুভেচ্ছা।
Yes, this song just goes with the background. DJI OSMO Pocket, and as you can see, the video clarity is very good, and it's 4K resolution and shooting at 50 frames per second. And as I move, the gimbal is constantly following me. By the way, this is Aheli's room, and I'm trying to take her in the frame. Yeah, but it's because yes, she comes. Say cheese. So guys, this was my first experience with the DJI OSMO Pocket, and if you guys think this is a very good startup camera for a rookie vlogger, do let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon, because my next vlog will be shot exclusively on the DJI OSMO Pocket. And till then, goodbye and stay safe, because we need to beat the pandemic.